I'm just curious. Do you happen to know what the SEER rating is for your air conditioning unit? The Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or SEER for short, is a measurement of your air conditioning unit's efficiency. The higher the SEER number, the more energy efficient the unit will be. When shopping for a new air conditioning unit, look for a unit with a SEER rating of 13 or more. This will help you to save the most money possible when running your air conditioning unit this summer. For example, by upgrading from a SEER 9 to a SEER 13, the power consumed is reduced by 30%. This could result by saving you up to $300 this year. You'll also want to look at the Energy Star label. All products displaying the Energy Star label either exceed federal energy consumption standards by at least 15%, or they have energy-saving features built into them. If you need help with this new equipment installation, please call the pros, the air repair pros. They can help you to determine the right size and efficiency for your home's new equipment installation, or they can help to diagnose and repair your current air conditioner. Either way, you can trust the air repair pros because they're EPA certified and they've been servicing the North Dallas, Texas area for almost 40 years. So pick up the phone right now and call the pros, the air repair pros. You'll be glad you did, I promise.